In this short video, I will give you step-by-step instructions to give you the knowledge, a tools list, and torque specs to get the job done. If this video is helpful and saves you time, please subscribe and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. In this video, we will be replacing the rear drive shaft on a 2008 Ford Explorer Sport Trac 4.0 liter XLT four-wheel drive. Here is part of the short video that I was explaining what was going on. The center carrier bearing went out on here. That's the reason why we are replacing this. You can just replace that carrier bearing, but you're better off just replacing the whole drive shaft. It'll save you a lot of time and labor. So to get started, raise the vehicle up. Starting in the front, you got these 6 bolts. They're at 8mm. Loosen all these up. You can either take them out or just leave them in like I did here, but make sure they're out far enough. Then you're going to use a hammer to tap on it to try to break it free. Mine took a little bit of work to get it off. I also used a screwdriver to pry it apart. Then take off the 4 bolts on the back of the drive shaft where the universal joint is. These are a 12mm. I highly recommend you use a 12-point socket, or you will possibly strip it. Remove the 2 lower bolts, then you'll have to turn the drive shaft by putting it in neutral, and then get the 2 other bolts. Then remove the 2 nuts that are holding the carrier bearing on. This is a 15mm. I used an extension and a deep socket. One of them started spinning on me, so I had to cut it off. Then after that, you can pull it out. You're going to want to pull it up and out towards the back of the vehicle. Then use a wire brush to clean up the mating surface on both sides. Then it's time to install the new drive shaft. Install the new drive shaft the same way you pulled out the old one. It was shipped with these zip ties on the front of the drive shaft. You can cut these off after you get it up where it needs to be. Also, they had the zip tie on the safety shield. When they shipped it, you can cut this off once you get it up in place. Now use a wire brush to clean up your bolts. Install and tighten up your 6 bolts in the front. Then torque them down. These are torqued to 26 foot-pounds. Then with your carrier bearing, mine didn't come with new nuts, and I couldn't use the old ones, but what they are is a 10mm with a 1.5 thread pitch. I'd recommend using some nylon lock nuts, and with these new nuts, they were a 17mm. Tighten these down and torque them to 47 foot-pounds. Then in the back by the universal joint, I used some blue thread locker on the bolts. Get all 4 of them started, then torque them down. These are torqued to 83 foot-pounds. Thanks for watching the video. Please like and subscribe to get more short and to the point how-to videos like this that saves you time so you can get more done.